Hey there everybody, we have two boxes that arrived today from Finland. I ordered these exactly 3 days ago, so they were ordered and shipped and arrived in 3 working days from Finland to the United States, so that seems pretty impressive. But let's get these open and see what we got. There it is. It says made in Finland. It is a Roselli Finnish bushcraft axe. And it comes with this natural leather face mask, blade mask for the axe. This feels pretty nice. Okay, let's get this out of the mask here and get a look at it. Okay, it comes right down like that. Kind of a different take on a axe mask, I guess. It's decent leather, it's not super thick. It does have a belt loop on it if you want to wear this on your belt, so that's pretty cool. But look at that unique look of that axe head there. It's got a heavy beard on it, nice big curved Scandi grind blade. And it's just such a unique look. It's got a little hammer pole on the back. It does not have a metal wedge, but it does have the wood wedge. And look it. Do you see how thick? My goodness, that is thick. This thing, it's got real fat cheeks on it too. It looks like it's definitely made for splitting. It was such a unique design, I just had to pick one up. But let's see, the grain orientation is pretty much perfect. I mean, you couldn't ask for straighter than that. Super lightweight, yet kind of a thick handle. They actually make a shorter 14-inch one, and I got the longer one of the two. Okay, the one I got here is just about 18 inches long, which is great for a haversack or just a small setup for maybe like a day hike or just a day or two out in the woods. Now if you take this tape out to about the front of this blade, which would probably be about right there, it's just a hair over 4 inches, about 4¼ inches for the length on the head. The blade length is just over 3½, about 3 5/8 there maybe. We're looking at about 1 inch across up at the eye and about 3/4 like just in front of the eye, and then it tapers down. Okay, let's do a paper cut test and see how sharp it is right out of the box. And got a sheet of paper here. So, that's pretty sharp for an axe. does pretty good for an axe that thick. Thick it is. Well, there you have it. This was just a quick unboxing and first look at the Roselli Axe from Finland. It's got a nice kind of like palm swell down here, so your hand doesn't slide off too easy. It's nice and smooth. It's got a nice polished sharp blade on it, and then the rest of it is left blackened. It arrives quite sharp for how thick it is. It's got a pretty nice profile. Comes with a leather mask that says H. Roselli on it. And you can see it's, well, let's see here. It's not super big head on this axe. You can see that. This is it beside my little Fisker's built hatchet. So you can see about the size of this axe head. Definitely a different design. And this is it beside the Council Tool Woodcraft pack axe. You can see that there. The blade lengths are quite similar, it's just this is much more curved, and the handle lengths are actually quite similar. This is the 19-inch and this one measures up just about 18. So that's how the top of that looks. And then, of course, you can see the difference in thickness there. That big thick axe there, or this much thinner profiled axe. This one's a better chopper, and even though I haven't been outside yet, I mean, the look of that, it's gonna split. It definitely looks like it's designed more for splitting, but I can't wait to get it outside and give it a shot. And here it is back in its sheath. Seems very secure because of the way the beard is. It's not coming out of there. And you can wear this on a belt. So that's a different take, I guess, on a hatchet or an axe. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.